Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Super busy, people. Super busy. I just been crazy ups and downs. All right, right here, we got two cash outs right here. And I'm going to teach you guys how to share your referral link. All right, how to really get your link out there and start really promoting and advertising whatever you want. All right, basically whatever you want. So it's like, it's up to you on an every single day basis to find different ways. All right, find different ways to help yourself earn more income, have different streams of income. All right, you got your 9-to-5 job, you got maybe a little side job that you do, a little side business that you do, and you should have something online, something coming in from the computer online where you don't physically got to go somewhere. All right, so like I created everything 100% free. All right, 100% free, starting from the bottom, teaching you how to make $1, $2, $5, $7, $10, $12, $14 every single day. All right, so it's up to you to put the time in, put the effort, learn. All right, learn how to use what I'm using, people. Like this whole last couple years changed my life. Once I started earning $1 a day online, it's just like, whoa, hold on, what's going on? All right, now only reason I'm not on a different level is because life is life, people. You gotta stay in your bracket. You can't just jump, and you gotta stay within yourself, and you gotta continue to grind until you can come out. All right, so like I said, on an every single day basis, this is what I do. I go through online courses, online apps, free sites, everything like that, and see what works best. All right, I don't take something down, or I don't use something, or I don't show you guys something that I don't actually use. All right, every single day, people, you guys got to put in this work. All right, now I'm at the point where all I'm doing is advertising. All I'm doing is pushing my content out. All I'm doing is talking to people, right, interacting, and that's how I get my referral earnings. All right, that's how I'm getting mine. All right, I'm not even really like putting in crazy work, but we're gonna start getting to that next level. All right, as you can see right now, my bad, people. You know how I like to talk. Right here, you see I got a hole in my pool, people. I'll show you that real quick because this thing got me like crazy pissed off, people. Crazy pissed off, like. So it's like finally stopped raining. Got a party for my son tomorrow, right? So it's like, this is the reason why I'm doing this. I'm not doing this just to do it. All right, people, I'm not doing it just to do it. This thing is crazy right now. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that, but hole right there with the patch. I probably can't see it because it's dirty. Let me clean it out. So this is why on an every single day basis, on some quiet. This is what on every single day basis I be trying to tell you guys, like, continue to grind, continue to get better at what you're doing. It's not just money. I lost about 34 pounds in the last like month and a half. So I'm gonna have some videos out on that too, showing you guys. Also, I clean that out at the end of the day. A lot to go on. I got my son's birthday party tomorrow. Kept getting delayed because of this rain, so hopefully tomorrow can be nice. Big party tomorrow. All right, people. So let me dive into here real quick, just showing you guys different things because like you be busy. You know what I'm saying? In life, you're busy. Things happen. All right, you see how to patch a pool liner. Like I got a hole in my pool, right? So like things happen, people. Things happen. All right, so you gotta be on point. Where are you getting this income from? Is it only your 9-to-5? It can't be that. If you're young, if you're a younger viewer, this is gold mine for you because you're gonna start using my system or start looking at what I'm doing and be like, oh, okay, I gotta get something from online coming in, and then you're gonna start getting curious and you're gonna figure your way out. Right? You're gonna figure your way out. All right, all about freedom. All right, so let's dive into this. All right, first cash out we're gonna do is PaidViewPoint. All right, people, you gotta people. PaidViewPoint is slow. My slowest money maker. Look, $692. My slowest money maker. Everything that I show you online, this is I make the least money on. And it's my favorite. You understand what I'm just told you? I make the least money on here every year, per day, everything. And this is my favorite. Why? Because it's so simple. It's so straightforward. Now I haven't refreshed this in a couple days. Like it might have been 2-3 days. I haven't even refreshed. I haven't even looked at this. So I'm about to refresh it right here. What happened when I go on my computer? I set it to where all my accounts, all my windows don't refresh. All right, because this computer's so slow, it starts refreshing. All of them start refreshing at the same time, and it takes like 20 minutes before the computer to even start up. So I hate doing that. So Let me refresh this right here. See what we got. See what we got going. How many surveys we got. How many referral earnings we got from right here. Hopefully I don't got to log in. Might have to log in. See what happens here. See it loading up here. All right, $2. Was it at $17.91? I think it was $17.91. See what I'm talking about, people? I think it was 2-3 days and $2 earnings. Like, I'm not, you know what I'm saying, people? This is what I'm trying to show you. I'm not making hundreds and thousands of dollars on here, people. But if you just continue, like if this makes $1 a day every single day for me until now, until I die, all right, that's $365 I got in the pocket every year. All right, next money maker. Like, you see what I'm saying, people? Like, this doesn't even stop me from doing anything I'm doing everyday life. This PaidViewPoint does not stop me. A survey comes in. This takes 2 minutes to do. You bang it out, and you wait till you get to $15 and you cash out. All right, now I'm at $19.91. I'm gonna take my PayPal right here. All right. I think when I click this, I'll have some personal information come up. Let's see if it just goes straight through. Cause did I cash? I think I cashed out recently, so it should go straight through. Let's see what happens here. All right, go straight through. Went straight through. Crack the piggy bank right here. You see that? As soon as I pressed OK. Now, when you cash out, you get you get everything that you have here. So if this is $15.10, you're gonna get the whole $15.10. Is gonna restart you back at 0. All right. So you gotta understand, it's only $139 I made in 7 months, and I know you're like, oh, that's stupid. It's free income that's coming in, and I have about 20 of these different sites. So you have to understand, if you use 20 of these different sites the same way you're using this like this, something's gonna start happening, right? Like you're gonna start generating now. Now money is gonna start generating. It's not a lot. It's not gonna change your life. You can't quit your 9 to 5, but it's definitely gonna get the bills paid. It's definitely gonna put gas in your car. It's gonna put groceries in your fridge. You got a hole in your pool. It's gonna cost you money to get it fixed. Like, you're gonna have stuff to get done. You're gonna be able to have money for advertising. If you need to advertise on Facebook, advertise on YouTube, advertise wherever, you're gonna have money to do so. So it's up to you on an everyday basis to figure something out. Get some type of income coming in so you can fund one of your businesses or one of your investments or something that you know about, so you can earn more. All right, you don't want to work 9 to 5 until you're 65 years old. You don't want to do that. All right, that's Plan Z. That can work out great, Plan Z, but that's Plan Z. Let's start working on Plan A and B right now, because Plan Z is gonna come no matter what. You see what I'm saying? So you gotta understand. All right, so like I said, PaidViewPoints. Watch my tutorials. Links in the description. Use my link to sign up. All right, people. Get to trade score to 10,000. All right. Do not stop using this. What I did is I stopped using this for like 6 months. Right. And then somebody that I actually was using this, referring people and everything. And I still stopped using it for like 6 months. Like, man, forget this, man. It's too slow. Right. And my trade score wasn't at 10,000. And I seen somebody that I referred. Trade score was at 10,000. They surpassed me. I referred them and they got way more money on PaidViewPoints than I did. And I'm like, whoa, timeout. That can't happen. That's like violation. That's violation for me to do that, right? Like, I referred somebody, but then I don't use it, and then now I'm not even at 10,000 trade score, and then they're showing me, oh, free online. Thanks, man. I'm glad you showed me this. Look, I'm at 10,000 trade score. What? How you get to 10,000? Oh, I just use it every day, and I realize I'm not even using it. So this is why I actually use it. Watch my videos. I show you doing the survey. I wish I should have did the survey first to cash it out. All right, but I'm gonna do the survey after, right here. After this video right here, I'm gonna do the survey. All right. So now that's what was that? $19, $19.91 cash out. I got a SuperPay.me cash out. All right, SuperPay.me, one of my favorite sites, people. Like I said, I only show you about a good 8 to 12 different sites, steady, because these are the money makers. I don't want you to go to the other different sites that I have, because it gets a little complex and you're gonna have to have money coming in to use them. You see what I'm saying? So I don't really get into them too much. I will start getting into them heavily. But I really want you guys to start earning free income, start creating content. If you earn it, people, you have to understand. If you come on this site right here, let's just go in simplest terms, right? Stop, don't even worry about all free online money maker, all these sites, all right? Let's just worry about one site. Let's say if you go on SuperPay.me and you earn $5 on SuperPay.me every single day for a month, and you document what you're doing, you're already like 90% of the way in. You're already 90% of the way in. You see what I'm saying? Because people are going to be like, whoa, how does this person make it? This person makes $150 off SuperPay.me every single month for the last 2, 3 months, 4 months. Like, if you do this over and over and over, and you start documenting that, people will follow you. People will sign up under your link. I'm telling you, this is what I did. Go watch my first 25 to 50 videos, people. Go watch my first 50 videos. I'm talking about 3 subscribers, 8 subscribers, 7 subscribers, 14 subscribers. I'm just going in. Listen, look, boom, 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 I'm going in. I'm just showing you what I know. And it works and it helps you. So it's up to you. You just got to put some time in. The more time you put in now, later you're not going to have to put that much time in, because you're going to start taking content. You're going to take your content and put out there. Now you have your content you put out there. And on future videos, I'm going to show you different traffic and advertising sites to put your link on that you could get referrals on. All right, people? So I'm going to refer you guys to that too. So it's a lot of different things that you can do online, but it's up to you to know these things. All right, I'm the one that go into different traffic sites to see if they work or not. Spend $200 on traffic to see if it works. You see what I'm saying? See if I'm getting any type of kickback. See if I'm getting any type of sales. See if I'm getting any type of subscribers. See if I'm getting any more views. See if my YouTube channel is jumping up more. Like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta do these different traffic sources if you want to use your account as almost like a business. All right. So what I took is free online money making. I use it like a business. All right. Superpaid.me, $100 cash out. You have to go watch my tutorial. I have about maybe 20 to 40 different Superpaid.me tutorials. Now I know you're like, oh, I don't have time to watch 20, 40. All of them are manufactured the same. It's the same core. It's just different. Sometimes you have new things come in, and I'll update that. But besides that, it's the same core. It's the same places on exactly where to go. Look at all these places you can go. I show you exactly where to go, where to click, what to do, exactly step for step. And you do that every single day. Make sure you put in the right answers on your profile questions and stuff like that. They ask you where you're from and all this and that. Make sure your profile questions match up. I show you guys all that. Like, do these things. It's so easy on your spare time. When it's raining outside, nothing to do in the house, do that. Don't just sit there and watch TV all day. All right? Like, put some money in your pocket on an every single day basis. I'm telling you, it will add up. All right? $100 cash out right here. I'm not going to cash out 100. I'm going to show you guys why. I'm going to go here to, I'm not even going to convert these points. I'm going to leave these points right here. The reason why is because I want to go to, let me go to withdraw cash. I want to show you guys the PayPal Instant. The PayPal Instant is $50. Withdraw, one withdrawal per day up to $50. What was that glitch? What happened right there? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put 40 like I did before my last video. I wanted to get it immediately, so I'm gonna put $49.99. I don't know how they do it to 50. So I need this money right now. And what's beautiful is I'm gonna put this money in. I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna go back, and you're gonna see. I'm gonna watch this time right here, and I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, PayPal Instant. Okay. All right, Instant PayPal. Put my thing in twice. Clicked it. Let's go here back. Let's go back to rewards over here. Let's just load up right here. Computer Superstore. Can't wait to get my money up, get another computer. I'm just going to buy, I don't care what kind of computer. I just want to be the fastest computer ever. Alright, so you see my withdrawal points right here. Let me go to convert points. And you see the time ticking on, you see 7:18, right? 7:18. I'm going to check my PayPal account. The money's going to be in there right now. Alright, the money's going to be in there right now. Let me go to my PayPal account real quick. Alright, I'm all logged in right here. My account right here. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Look, okay. This is my son was Xbox subscription right here every month. But right here, this is what we just cashed out right now. All right. Now why it was not $49.99 is because they take out that 2% for the PayPal fee. All right. So I should have probably just put 50, and then it would have been $49.99. All right. So it's $48.99 cash out plus the $19.91 from PaidViewPoints. People, use these sites. I show you proof, facts, results. There's no reason you should not be earning at least $150 every single month. $5 a day. It's $5 a day. $150 every single month. All right. Stay tuned, people. Crazy videos coming out. Lost 32 pounds. Gonna have some fitness videos for you guys. How to lose weight, gain weight, 100% free. All right. Learn. Just watch. See what I'm doing. All right. Be safe out there and get this money. All right, free online money maker signing now.